We start tonight with the latest on the Gold Line stabbing.
The suspect in custody for stabbing someone on the Lynx Gold Line yesterday made his first appearance in court today.
And we are getting new details about the suspect's history and what riders are saying about safety on the Gold Line.
WCNC Charlotte's Austin Walker joins us with what he's learned.
You can see the Gold Line is back to normal operation after Thursday's stabbing, but some people say this could happen anywhere, while other riders say this makes them cautious of their next ride. A scary scene on Thursday, leaving some streetcar riders searching for answers.
I was like, oh my God, they need metal detectors maybe, I don't know.
Thursday afternoon around 4, CMPD responding to a call for a stabbing on the CityLink's Gold Line. Police arriving to the 800 block of West Trade Street, just steps away from Johnson & Wales University, finding a victim sustaining serious injuries and medic transporting them to a nearby hospital, all while the suspect flees away.
Okay, Mr. Watson.
CMPD later arresting the suspect. Friday morning, 49-year-old Robert Bruce Watson making his first appearance in court for a bond hearing. WCNC Charlotte learning. Police reports show Watson has a fugitive charge out of South Carolina. We also learn this act of violence was random and the suspect does not know the victim. Carmen Harrison uses the Gold Line almost daily and says she hasn't had any issues. But following the incident, she says additional safety measures and security would be reassuring.
Because you don't never know what people is holding. I mean, they can have a gun, a knife, or a machete, or anything.
And others say CATS has already taken precautions.
They usually have like security and stuff like that, and that probably was just a rare occurrence.
Yeah, I've never seen any incidents on a train.
CATS sending a statement saying, quote, "This is a tragic incident for all parties involved, and the safety and well-being of customers is CAT's top priority and concern." Watson's bond hearing is set for the 18th, and there is no update on that victim just yet. In Uptown tonight, Austin Walker, WCNC Charlotte.